You have a test tomorrow over all of the inequalities we have done this week, as well as the cell phone problems that we did on Monday. And you have to be able to add, subtract, multiply, and divide positive and negative numbers, and to graph an inequality on a number line to do the inequalities. Here's the easiest problem you'll have tomorrow. For example, x plus 6 less than 3. You leave your x on the left and the 3 on the right. Move this over. Change the sign. 3 minus 6 is negative 3. X less than negative 3. Problem. X greater than or equal to negative 2 minus 4. That should be x greater than or equal to negative 6. Yep. 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 All right, everybody's got to go to the back and come up here. You have to go to the back of the room and then come up here. I can't count what you're coming to get unless you go to the back first. On this one, it's negative x plus 2 less than negative 5. Keep the negative x on the left, the negative 5 on the right, and move this plus 2, make it minus 2. Negative 5 minus 2 is negative 7. This is really a negative 1 there, so you divide both sides by negative 1. Flip the inequality sign. X greater than 7. Leave the negative x on the left, move this over, and make it plus 3. You'll have a 7 on the right, and divide both sides by negative 1 to get x less than negative 7. The next type of problem will be 4x plus 6 less than 10. Keep the 4x on the left, the 10 on the right. Move that over and make it minus 6. 4x less than 4, and divide both sides by 4. You should get x less than 1. I can't find the pen. There it is. In this case, we will have negative 2x minus 6 less than negative 12. Keep the negative 2x on the left and the negative 12 on the right. Move this over, make it plus 6. Simplify the right to get a negative 6. Divide both sides by negative 2. Flip the inequality sign. You should get x greater than 3. Keep the negative 4x where it's at, and the 24 as well, but move this over, make it minus 12. That'll give you a 12, and divide both sides by a negative 4. X at less than or equal to negative 3. 6x minus 3 less than or equal to 3x plus 9. Keep the 6x on the left and the 9 on the right. You must move this to the other side and make it plus. Move this to the other side, make it minus. That's because the minus 3 was minus, you move it to plus when you change sides. This has a plus sign in front of it even though it's not written. It becomes minus on the left. On the left-hand side, you'll have 3x when you simplify, and on the right, it is 12. Divide both sides by the 3, x less than or equal to 4. Keep 5x on the left, 24 on the right. Move the x over, make it minus. Move the 16, make it minus. Simplify to get 4x greater than 8. Divide both sides by 4. X greater than 2.